Hello. Welcome back to TerryMelissaKitchen. So I decided to do another delicious oxtail video since the first one I did got so much love, but this one I will be cooking in the oven. First, you're gonna clean and wash your oxtail with lemon and or vinegar. I already did mine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and season it. So after you season it, you're gonna cover it and let it marinate for a minimum of 2 hours. I always marinate my meat overnight because the longer you marinate it, the better it tastes. Now I'm gonna add the oil to the heated pot, and then I'm gonna add the oxtail without the seasoning. Make sure to use an oven-proof pot or pan. After 30 minutes, you're going to take it out, give it a stir, add the seasoning, and put it back in the oven. The last step, I'm gonna add some lima beans / broad beans, some carrots, some potatoes, water, ketchup, spinner's dumplings, salt to taste, and then I'm gonna put back in the oven and cook for another hour. And there you go, the best tasting oven cooked oxtail ever. You can serve it with rice and peas, white rice, pasta, whatever you choose to eat it with. It is so delicious. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share the video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. Thank you.